What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment on what you guys always want to see. Hey Mammoth, huh? You ride? You don't ride?
I got these from CBI Fabrication.
So what are these brackets used for? Fog lights?
More of ditch lights. They go up above your hood.
What is this?
As a Pioneer 4-inch tweeter that we're also going to be installing.
No, dude, that looks like a 5-pound dumbbell.
Dude, it is heavy.
TSB-400Pro. The 400 stands for 4-inch. This is a tweeter. So what size did you grab?
It's going to be a 12mm. Trick is what you want to do. You don't want to do both bolts at the same time. Just the standard bolt that it comes with. New one's gonna be longer, so that way it can catch the new bolt and washer in just one at a time, just so it's mounted on there. And all you have to do is just hand tighten everything for now.
Make sure when you close your hood that this is a little play right now. So now onto the passenger side.
Also, these new bolts that it comes with is actually a 13mm, so you make sure you're cleared over here on your sides.
Alright, so now that both sides are tight, should just be able to close. So now we're gonna do this huge speaker of his.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 4-inch tweeter slid in here. All you gotta do is just take a flathead screwdriver, find the clips, and just pop them out.
And look at this little uni one. Look at this thing. This is a Mondingo compared to that. So what size is that?
It's 10mm. Look at how small this thing is compared to what this thing's gonna be.
Holy, that thing is huge. Now you gotta unplug it. You guys can see this speaker also comes with a resistor that needs to get hard soldered in. That's for the speaker to not blow in case if anything happens.
Looks like you may have to do some trimming already. Dude, perfect. Yeah, so if you just turn them sideways and make the hole on each side line up into this plastic, that can just be your mounting points. It's not gonna be jumping up and down with bass, it's just more tweeter.
So now we're gonna cut open the wires, see how the wiring is done, solder onto a new speaker. This connection has 4 wires. Red has gone to the positive, and the positive is connected to a resistor. Blue is connected to a positive. Gray is connected to a negative. You're gonna wanna go ahead and cut these wires. Cut them at a spot where you can still see the colors, you know, because you wanna remember what is what. See, they're all cut. So you're gonna wanna get wire splitter, or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called. We stripped them. Now we're gonna go ahead and attach these to the new speaker. The resistor is hooked up to the positive side of the speaker. The negative side is just left open. Like I said, you're gonna wanna leave a diagram. Don't wanna snip them right off. That way you can know what is to what. So you're gonna wanna open all this up. When you slide it out, it opens up. It's not very much wire, that's why I said be conservative about it. Together, I would put a twist in them so you remember. Red and blue to positive. This will get soldered into this. The rest will go to negative, so you're just gonna wanna put it through, bring it all the way through, and then you're gonna just wanna kinda hook it in. Soldering gun, if you're ancient like me, you got one of these huge ones. Make sure you wired it correctly. So now that you did the negative side, you go ahead and take the positive side. Easy trick is twist the wires together. That way they hold on. So now we have the end product. I suggest before drilling the holes or doing anything, you probably want to hook this up and see if it works. Look at this monster of speaker. Just leave it out like that so people can see how big of a boss you are. Alright, so this is part 2. These are the lights Belake ordered. Came with his wires. So this is the bracket that we had on.
This is what's gonna hold your Baja design light together.
While Blake is doing that, I brought my Ronald Reagan gun out. Attempt to make this key and replace it from this. Well, they're installed. I don't think camera does the justice, but these are super bright. Good morning, guys. I couldn't close out the video just because it was dark, but we got to show you guys how the light was. Amazing product, Baja designs, very nice. Tweeter from Pioneer, amazing. Yeah, that wraps up the video and the install. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. For all the views, thank you for the likes and comments you guys have been leaving. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button down below. It helps out a lot. Well, guys, follow my social media account. That way you guys can be up to date on exactly what videos come out, what is going on. Sometimes you guys get a little sneak peek too.